Hi everybody, I'm Jim at ifoundjim.com. Most people have no clue how to coil up an extension cord. They make it into a total knot and a total ball, and you can't even undo the damn thing. So I'm going to show you how to actually take this neatly coiled extension cord and plug it into your lawnmower. A lot of people don't even know how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this end, which is the end that you plug into the outlet. That's going to set free. This is the end that you plug into your electric lawnmower. You take it like this. It goes up into the handle like this. See how I did that? That part plugs into here. And then you take this part, which goes into the outlet, and make sure it's not a mess. You plug the other end into the outlet, and then you're ready to go. Just like this.